Students, welcome to Syed Sunhera classroom. In this video, we will see exercise 3.1 sixth problem. Here the problem is given the linear equation. Here the equation is 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. Write another linear equation in two variables such that geometrical representation of the pair so formed is. So we need to write the another linear equation so that it can form intersecting line, parallel lines and coincident lines. So we need to write three different equations that will satisfy these three conditions. So I'll go first with intersecting lines. How can I write intersecting another equation? Here, what is the condition for intersecting? If compare the ratios, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. This is the condition for intersecting lines. Here, what is the a1 value? We will write a1 value. What is the a1 value here? 2. And what is the b1 value? And 3. And what is the c1 value? It is minus 8. Now see this equation a1 and a2. We need to write a2 and b2 in such a way that these two equations are not equal. It is already given that what is a1 by a2, b1 by b2 is not equal to. So here what we can write, a1 value is already given 2 by a2 and b1 value is 3 by b2. So these two should not be equal. Then how can we write? We can write any number, because if I write a2 value as 1 and b2 value as 1, then 2 is not equal to 3. So we can write any value. So I'll write a2 is equal to 1 and b2 is equal to 1. Then what will be the equation? 1 into x square means 1 into x plus b2 value is y. C can be anything. I'll write plus 2 is equal to 0. So it can be any equation. This is for intersecting lines. Now we will go for coincident lines. What is the second? Okay, we will go for parallel lines. What is the condition for parallel lines? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. And a1 value is already given. What is the a1, b1 and c1 value? Those are 2 and 3 and is not equal to, what is the c1 minus 8 by c2. So what can be a number that will, how these two should be equal, which means a2 and b2 should equal. How can we write it? We write it by as, if I write, how can we write it? Let's imagine, how can these two be equal? These two be equal if it should cancel the above number. 2 should cancel above number and 3 should cancel above number, and these two should be same. Then only it will satisfy the equation, right? So let's say I'll write randomly like 2 by, if I write 2 by 4 and b2 value will be 6, then what will I get? And here we can write anything which is not equal to, like here I can write anything. Let's say I can write it as 4, anything it can be. So 2 ones are 2 twos are, 3 ones are 3 twos are. Here we can see 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is not equal to 4 ones 4 twos minus 2. So these two are equal, but this is not equal. In this situation, it is called, what it is called? It is called parallel lines. So this is one of the condition. Then what will be the equation here? The equation is, here what is the a2 and b2 value? It is 4x plus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0. It can be anything, right? So I can write it in this way. Now I will write. Now we will look for third one. What is the third one? It is coincident lines. Coincident lines. Now here what is the condition? All should equal. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. It should all should equal. I'll write a1, b1 and c1 values minus 8 divided by c2. Now what number will be here to get the same thing? To get the same answer. So let's think about it. So how can we write it? It should be come while practicing only. So we can write any number, but these three should be equal. So how can we write it? Okay, I'll write it as, let's think about it. A by 2 by A2. So if I just want to, okay, so what if I write A2 is equal to say 4 and B2 is equal to 6 and C2 is equal to, no wait, yeah, C2 is equal to minus 16. What will you say? Then what will we get? We will get 2 by 4 and 3 by 6 and minus 8 by 16. Now I am going to cancel 2 ones are 2 twos are, 3 ones are 3 twos are, 8 ones are, I mean minus 16, right? 8 ones are, 8 minus minus cancel, 8 ones are 8 twos are. So all values are same, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. If all values are same, then it is called coincident lines. Then what will be the equation here? The equation should be 4x plus 6y minus 16 is equal to 0. This is the equation for coincident lines. This is the way we will write all familiar equations. I mean all pair of linear equations which will satisfy intersecting, parallel and coincident lines. Thank you. This is Sunhera signing off.